Yesterday I picked up this 7-foot 20 kilo Olympic Barbell, $25. Sanded it. Cleaned it, vacuumed it. Anyway, it's for chrome mag wheels. Stuck to the chrome barbell like glue. A specific way to do it, and it requires dedication and patience. That sleeve followed the instructions and it took like over an hour. You have to do 5 coats in 10-minute intervals, and you have to sort of stand back and just like let the mist settle. It's a transparent colour, so you can't really see it the first couple of times you put it on. It looks like a very weak cordial. Your instinct is to go more, but it says do not. If you spray on too much, or you don't have control over the can, this is what happens. This sleeve's not done very well. Times like this, when I was doing bond cleaning, I would use magic sponge to clean the walls with, and it said don't press too hard, you take paint off. It doesn't scratch, but it will take paint off, so that's what we want here. This is how I got into this work. Transferred all my bond cleaning knowledge over. I can just mist that up and it can sort of blend in. Otherwise, if that doesn't work, I've wasted paint time. I'm gonna have to sand the entire sleeve back to redo it all again, and then that'll just teach you like get it right. And then I'm gonna put a sealant, tape the inner part and the bit on the other side so that I don't stop the rotation, because you don't want, oh my goodness, is that a truck or a bird at this place? When I was in school, these Australian birds used to make me lose my thought. I'd fail due to birds.